Welcome to Media Zen. Today, we are excited to present 10 Belly Fat Busters, your guide to weight loss foods. We're thrilled to have you join us in this insightful journey. Our mission is to assist you on your health and fitness path by offering valuable and practical. The topic we are tackling today is one that plagues many of us: belly fat, a widespread concern, and it's not just about looking good. Excess belly fat can detrimentally impact our entire health. But fret not, because the might of great nutrition is on your side. In this video, we're going to delve into the world of wholesome eating and unveil 10 outstanding foods that can steer you towards a flatter tummy. So, without further delay, let's plunge into our list of the top 10 food tips to banish that stubborn. Before we dive into the tips, it's important to understand what belly fat really is. Belly fat, or visceral fat, is the excess weight that accumulates around the middle of our bodies. More than just an aesthetic concern, it's a health issue too. This type of fat is different from the fat you can pinch, known as subcutaneous fat. Belly fat lies deep within the abdominal cavity and pads the spaces between our organs. Why is it harmful? Well, it acts almost like an organ itself, releasing hormones and compounds that can cause inflammation, interfere with hormones, and lead to serious health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. The role of diet is crucial in its accumulation. Consuming excess calories, especially those from sugar and refined carbohydrates, can lead to the storage of visceral fat, setting off a chain reaction of health issues. Now that we understand the problem, let's explore the solution. Tip number 1, pump up your protein. Why? Well, protein is a crucial macronutrient that aids in weight loss by keeping you full and satisfied, thus reducing overeating. It also helps to increase your metabolism. And let's not forget, it supports muscle growth. When you build more muscle, your body naturally burns more calories, even at rest. And guess where it finds those extra calories to burn? That's right, your stubborn belly fat. So remember, protein, your new best friend in the battle against belly fat. Tip number 2, say no to excessive sugars. Sugars, especially the refined kind, can be sneaky villains in our fight against belly fat. They're rapidly absorbed by our bodies, causing blood sugar spikes that lead to insulin resistance and fat accumulation around the waist. Instead, opt for natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables. They're packed with fiber, slowing digestion and preventing those dreaded spikes. And for that sweet tooth, try honey or dark chocolate. Remember, a little sugar goes a long way. Tip number 3, embrace fiber-rich foods. Fiber is a crucial component in the weight loss journey. It aids digestion, keeps you feeling full for longer, and can help control your calorie intake. But its benefits extend beyond just weight loss. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains also play an instrumental role in reducing belly fat by regulating the body's use of sugars, helping to keep hunger in check. So remember, fiber isn't just your friend, it's your ally. With fiber in your diet, you're one step closer to a flatter belly. Tip number 4, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Hydration is key to overall health, and it plays a pivotal role in weight loss too. When your body is well hydrated, it functions optimally, aiding digestion and nutrient absorption. More importantly, water can help curb hunger pangs and boost metabolism, both crucial for shedding those stubborn belly fat. So make water your go-to beverage and consider adding a squeeze of lemon for a vitamin C boost. Remember, water is the best beverage. Scene script. Ready for a quick fire round? Here are the last 6 tips. Tip 5, cut down on alcohol. While a glass of wine with dinner isn't a diet disaster, frequent heavy drinking can lead to an increase in belly fat. Alcohol is high in calories but low in nutrients, so it's best to enjoy it in moderation. Moving swiftly to tip 6, include healthy fats in your diet. It might sound counterintuitive, but eating certain types of fats can actually help you lose weight. Foods like avocados, olives, and fatty fish are packed with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats help you feel full, reducing the temptation to overeat. On to tip 7, limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. They're also usually low in fiber and other nutrients. Try to fill your plate with whole, natural foods instead. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are your best friends. Next, tip 8, incorporate regular exercise. While diet is key for weight loss, physical activity is just as important. Regular exercise, especially activities that strengthen your core, can help burn belly fat. Slipping into tip 9, get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your metabolism and lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. And finally, tip 10, Stay consistent. Losing belly fat takes time, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Consistency is key. Stick to your healthy habits, and over time, you'll see the changes you're working for. And there you have it, 10 food tips to help you lose belly fat. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier you? Let's take a brief moment to recap our 10 life-changing tips. First, boost your protein intake. This not only helps in muscle building, but also aids in fat burning. Second, cut down on sugars. They are your belly fat's best friend. Third, fiber is indeed your friend. It helps you feel full and aids digestion. Fourth, hydrate right. Water is the elixir of life. And finally, our quick fire tips 5 through 10, covering everything from portion control to the importance of sleep. The key to all of this, however, is consistency and balance. It's not about drastic changes, but rather sustainable habits. Start small and gradually build up. It's your journey to a healthier lifestyle, and like any journey, it's unique to you. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your journey today.